Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Shipyard. This is an amazing neighborhood, a brand new development in the southeastern part of the city. We frequently have rentals in this development, and so I wanted to share with you a lot of the amenities and features that this property does have. The first thing you'll notice is everything is brand new. There's a definite Euro feel to the property. Nice sidewalks, parks, lots of green area, trees all planted. Here is the view deck. Again, we're overlooking the bay here. This is the old naval yard. They used to recondition aircraft carriers out here, but spectacular view as you look east and then south from multiple areas of the property. You can see downtown San Francisco very, very vividly. Looking over the edge here, we see one of the big green belt areas that the property features. There's someone playing with their dog out there, and the dog looked very, very happy. Lots of hiking trails and seating areas. Saw a couple of people while I was walking around doing a run, and then on the opposite extreme there's lots of places to sit and enjoy the many sunny days that you have here in this part of the city. Basketball courts, again, walking trails, and little community areas. As I mentioned, we do have more than a few rentals in this area, so give us a call. I'm actually going to be going into one right now. Here's a beautiful, this is a 2-bedroom property, and we're going to be walking in and maybe come join our property tour after this. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.